Inspiration from POS Healthcare. As an emerging SME in the medical industry, receiving investment support from the Board of Investment was, BOI, a turning point for POS Healthcare, evolving the company into a moistest yet impactful cog that bolsters the Thai economy. Like many SMEs, POS Healthcare faces various challenges in gaining access to capital, technology and market opportunities. After receiving investment incentives from the BOI,
POS Healthcare experienced significant business development,
bolstering its financial strength and market accessibility. This enabled the company to develop new products and expand customer base, firmly establishing POS Healthcare as a stable and growing SME.
I'm Dr. Fizit Yarung Roj, a pharmacist and the CEO of POS Healthcare. Products resulting from research on drug-resistant infection prevention are manufactured once the research is completed. The product that has earned our company a reputation is the alcohol gel that we all use during the COVID-19 pandemic.
My name is Tirapat Wirung Raj, and I am the Deputy General Manager of POS Healthcare. Our unique selling point drives from the fact
that all our products are research-driven.
We place a strong emphasis on training and providing academic knowledge from international perspectives to our clients.
We aim to take the next step in developing products that not only possess quality backed by research but also demonstrate effectiveness.
We may seek consultation from the BOI to improve efficiency in various aspects such as human resources and knowledge. This is to ensure sustainable growth and expansion of our business.
You must be truly knowledgeable and at the same time invest in research
to create new innovations that can be turned into products.
This is a priority that needs to be done in the present and future world.
To differentiate ourselves, we may introduce innovation, products or technologies. It's essential to maintain transparency
and sincerity with customers for sustainable growth. As a key agency involved in driving the country's economy, the BOI offers sustained investment incentives specifically designed for SMEs. These incentives enable SME entrepreneurs to expand their businesses into the global value chain and tap into larger international markets, all while gaining access to advanced, environmentally friendly technologies. To further modernize Thailand's industrial sector, the BOI encourages investments, advanced research and development, aligning with the demands of emerging global trends. Additionally, the BOI foresees an economy in which SMEs lead the way in generating employment, acknowledging their role as major job providers, equally vital as large corporations to Thailand's economic well-being. Let's build a sustainable business ecosystem for enduring strength and stability. The BOI unlocks the potential of Thai SMEs for a broader reach, positioning them competitively on the global stage, while driving sustainable growth for the Thai economy.